Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to the world of TriOOHMusic. Today is TriOOHMusic's crabbing day. We're here at Red Bank, New Jersey for crabbing. See, like the weather is very nice today. Hope we'll get something. Let's see. Today's TriOOH crabbing day, and we will have a lot of crabs, right, Jason?
Right, and lots of fish.
A lot of fish?
Yeah.
Nice. Yay, you're so happy. Weather is very nice today for crabbing, yes. This guy can't wait. This guy is very gentle. Wow, slightly professional fisherman, yes. Do you find anything? Do you find anything, Swan? Let's see. You got a crab! Wow. These guys, they got a crab.
But I think, is it too small?
Yeah, that's kind of too small. Just let it go.
First, get the thing this.
I'll get the chicken leg out. Jason, you got two big crabs, right? You like the crabs?
I can't go. I can't go. Still can't go anywhere. He's can go. No.
Where's your worm, Jason?
Maybe there are already worms left.
Can't see it. Where's your worm?
Oh, but this is.
Oh, wow.
Hold it.
Hold it tight. Yes.
Okay,
Good
put
boy.
this over here. Stop eating. It's not eating me, this worm.
It's eating you?
It's not eating.
It's not eating you? Good. You want to put it on the hook?
Yeah. Where I put?
Where do you put it? Where's the hook? Right there.
We only need one piece of worm, guys.
You only need one piece of worm? No. Let's just replace everything to the fresh ones. We're professional.
No. I'm not giving
Yes.
Hey, go. I want to put there.
Let me just help you. Oh, wow.
It's still
Guys, I've never been touching any worm.
Remember when you remember when you cut it? How disgusting it was.
I know. For me, this is just like too fresh. Oh, it's moving. Oh my gosh.
Just be careful.
I don't like it, but yeah. Let me see. I really have to cut.
We still be a mess.
Oh my gosh.
Still be a mess.
Are you afraid? Are you afraid of it? You do?
It's a mess.
It's a mess?
Oh,
Yes.
don't let it crawl.
Alright guys, let me cut it
Be careful.
into two halves, right?
Yeah. too big. Are you scared of that, the blood?
I know. No, I mean like, I'm so fresh in this field, you know, guys. I'm just trying, okay?
I'm gonna put it
I'm
here.
not a professional.
Are you gonna touch it with your bare hand?
I have to.
And
Otherwise,
you have to get the hook out. If you don't get it out, the fish won't even eat it.
are you sure?
Yeah, you have to get a hook out because then the fish won't get stuck in it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you need the hook. Just let it go. Just let the hook.
The-
Not
like this?
Even more. You need more. It's still living.
Like this?
It has to get the trans.
The spark? The little spark?
Yeah, we need a big.
That's fine, right?
Yeah,
right
so
now.
it gets the fish's mouth, and then it can't go away.
Really?
Because if it's like that, you can just eat a worm and
Guys,
just get
this is a very hard job for me. I never did that before. But,
Maybe we should ask Jason, the worm professional.
Jason, how do you like this?
Uh-huh.
Am I doing good job?
No,
Am I
right?
doing
No.
a great job?
No, he said no.
No, I'm sorry. But I'm trying, guys. I'm really
That's good. That's good. That's good. Don't.
Like that?
No.
Are you sure? Are you sure like that? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so one suggested me to do like that. Do you guys agree? I don't know.
Comment down on this in below.
You want to throw it this time? Okay.
I'm gonna try. I'm scared now about this.
Don't hit anybody.
That was a bad throw. I'm not good.
Jason, what are you working on? Oh, you got a crab. Where did you get it? Oh, wow, you got a crab. Is there anything, Swan? You got anything?
I got another crab.
Oh, Swan
Bye.
second
It's too
crab.
small,
It's too
though.
small anyways.
I know,
Just
it's
let
too
go.
small.
Yeah, you want to throw it
I
again?
guess crabs do eat worms.
Yeah,
Ah.
they do, right?
They love worms.
You want me to do it or you do
Yeah, you
it?
do it.
I'll do it.
Go.
Good?
Yeah, go. Okay, I told you. It's hard, right? Go. Okay, I'm gonna wait.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay, went down in the thing. Okay, we got it out.
You ready?
Yellow bait's not lucky, I guess.
Let's just put it there.
Yeah.
It's good enough.
I get it.
Today's a good fish.
It's a jellyfish. You want to get a
Jason, you want to hold it?
jelly?
Yes.
You want to get a jellyfish?
Yes.
Okay, that's
You want to get the jellyfish?
yeah. Small jellyfish.
Where's the small jellyfish?
You try to get in here. And then I want to get. I know how to catch a jellyfish. You need the net. And you just put the jellyfish up and it's.
See, he's a professional fisherman right now, Jason, right?
Hey, how about you, Marilyn? Maybe you'll have fish luck.
Yes.
And us. Oh. Come on, let me tell you what's good. Grab it. Keep going. Good job. It's hard, I know. Yeah, it's pretty hard. If it's a crab, it's hard as well. I found out if there's a crab, if you push it, it feels stuck to something.
This guy is a professional fisherman right now. He knows how to do it. See?
I know.
Magically. You're a good boy.
Wow, it's too cold.
Oh.
Should I help you, or do you want to do it
No,
yourself?
Jason can do it.
Okay. No, the other way,
Trust
the other
him.
way, the other way. Yeah, that's right. I know it's uncomfortable sometimes.
Wow, a lot of crabs today. Just now we got 3 crabs in one single night. Yes. We caught so many blue crabs. Wow.
It won't get hooked on forever. Oh, there.
Is there anything?
I feel like.
Very heavy. Let me just help you. I'll help you, okay? You reel it. I'll pull it.
Is that hard to pull?
It's so hard.
I hope it's big.
I hope so.
I hope it's not going to get away.
Oh, it's gone. We lost everything, I feel. We lost everything, including all the weights and the bait.
We got stuck on a rock.
We lost a weight, 3 weights actually, right? 3 weights and the bait. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, today is a big day, right Swan?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we caught like a lot of crabs. We're going to eat it at home. Yes, cook like a big dinner for us, like a crab, seafood dinner, fresh crabs, restaurant. Yeah, you're happy. Yes. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. See you next time. Bye.
I got this. Thank you.